Nationality. When we hear this term for the first time in the syllabus of public international law, we all start wondering that why are we studying this particular subject? Because we think we know what is nationality. But if someone asks you very precisely what nationality is, you will start telling everything about citizenship. Guys, remember, nationality and citizenship are two different concepts. So we, being the students of public international law, need to have very clear understanding on what is nationality all about. Now, how are we going to approach this particular topic? Guys, I have already started a series of video on this particular topic by making a video on jus soli and jus sanguinis. Now, these are the two important concepts which I have already made in a single video that you have to go to my public international law playlist and watch it, and then you should get into this particular video. After this video, in this video I am going to give the beautiful illustration to understand the concept of nationality and few major definitions and importance of nationality. And then we are getting into few other series of videos pertaining to nationality, like what is double nationality and statelessness. We are also studying how to acquire and lose nationality, that is modes of acquisition and losing nationality. And then we are going to discuss a very important aspect, that is the difference between nationality and citizenship. Now the illustration comes in the year 2020, that is the current period, February 2020, where the coronavirus is the biggest international news. And if you're watching this video in 2030 or 2040 or maybe after 30 years, 2050, if you're watching this video of mine, then you need to Google what exactly is coronavirus. Now I'm going to Corona, that way we are all traveling to China now to understand how exactly the term nationality is seen. Year 2020. The last 2 months, the biggest news that we all are hearing is China and the coronavirus. Now, coronavirus has already taken a lot of lives and many people are still suffering. And the pain part is we are not yet sure whether we have got right medication or not. Now, I am keeping that context in my mind and will try to explain the concept of nationality to you guys so that you can understand the concept of nationality. And to a greater extent, you can also understand the difference between nationality and citizenship. My first illustration comes from a person who has the nationality of India and also got the citizenship of India, and now he got stuck in China. Who is going to protect him? We, the Indian government, is going to protect him because he is our national. In my second scenario, there is a person who got the nationality of Sri Lanka, but then he came and stayed in India and completed all the legal requirement to get the citizenship of India, and now he got stuck in China. Who is going to protect him? The Sri Lankan government is going to protect him because he is the national of Sri Lanka. In my third scenario, there is a person who got the nationality of India, but now he went and stayed in UK and got the citizenship of UK and got stuck in China as of today. Now, who is going to protect him? It is the Indian government because he is the national of India. When it comes to international law, it is not the question of citizenship. It is the question of nationality. Whichever nationality he has, that government will protect him because nationality is an emotional concept where that person belongs to. It might be because of jus soli or because of the soil or maybe jus sanguinis or because of the blood relationship that he has with the country or the state or the nation. So that is how we need to understand nationality. You see, it is not about the citizenship of the person. It is about the question where that person belongs to. Now, nationality is seen as the base of public international law to decide where exactly that person belongs to. Now, if nationality is so important, then it should be a human right, right? That's what exactly pronounced in the Article 15 of the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, where there are two important statements. One, everyone has the right to nationality. That means every person in this world has the right to have a nationality. And secondly, nobody can deny if somebody wants to change the nationality. These are the two important things that you need to mention when we are discussing the concept nationality, because Article 15 is one of the major contributor as far as nationality of a person is concerned. Now, if it is asking to give nationality to a person, You might be thinking that are there any chance a person losing nationality? To clarify that, I am going to give one more illustration page, and after that we are getting into definition part. So let us see one more illustration. Here there are four scenarios, and I am going with these scenarios with the strong belief that you have already watched my video on Jus Soli and Jus Sanguinis. If you have not watched that, please watch that because I cannot spend too much time on this illustration. In scenario 1, there is a male and there is a female. Male is having nationality of A and female is having nationality of B. Now they both get married. The question here is, after marrying, which nationality will B get? That is the first question, whether she gets the nationality of A or whether she continues the nationality of B, or whether she is going to get the double nationality or she will be statelessness. Now that is what we have to decide. In scenario 2, a father is having national of A, mother is having national of A, but when they are living in country B, they got a child. Now the child will get whether national A or national B. That is the question in scenario 2. In scenario 3, there is a father who is coming from national A and mother is from national B, and they are living in mother's nation and they get a child. Now whether the child will get the nationality of father or mother because they are staying in mother's country, or how exactly we have to see, that is the permutation combination we have to understand in scenario 3. In scenario 4, father is having nationality of A, mother is having nationality of B, and they both are living in country C. Now if the child is born in country C, what nationality will the child get? Whether it is father's nationality or mother's nationality, or under Jus Soli whether it will get the nationality of country C or it will get double nationality, or will it end in statelessness. Now I am using lot of double nationality and statelessness. No worries, I am going to make one independent video for that concept also, but all of these questions you need to have in your mind. Now one important aspect as per Article 15 of Human Rights Declaration, that every person should have a nationality. That is very important aspect you need to remember. And here the question is, which nationality will the child or the married woman is going to get? Now let us try understand all of this in the series of video where we are going to study with the case laws. I was holding definitions for a long time. Let us see four important definitions as far as nationality is concerned. The first definition is coming from Stark, who says nationality may be defined as the legal status of membership of the collectivity of individuals whose acts, decisions and policy are vouchsafed through the legal concept of the state representing those individuals. Now he says it is the legal status of membership. Remember, it is not the political rights, it is the legal status of members to be part of a particular nation is nationality. Second definition is coming from Professor Ophanium, who says nationality of an individual, the quality of being a subject of certain state and therefore its citizens. He is mixing a bit of both nationality and citizens, but here he brings the concept of quality of being subject to a particular state is nationality. The most important definition as far as nationality is concerned is coming from Charles G. Fenwick, who says nationality is such a bond which binds an individual with the state. This is a beautiful statement that he is making. What we need to understand here is bond, which means affection or the emotions with the person. Now for example, imagine there is a person who belongs to India or having the nationality of India, who goes and lives in Sri Lanka and gets the citizenship of Sri Lanka. And now imagine there is a cricket match between Sri Lanka and India. For which team he will feel for? It is always for India because his base is from India. So that is the way he says that, which brings a bond between the person and individual and binds it. That is what he says. And by doing so, it makes him a specific member of a specific state, and by being that, he will have certain legal rights from the state and he will also have certain obligation which is promulgated by the state. So that is what G. Fenwick says, and this is one of the most important definition as far as nationality is concerned. Now the last definition I am bringing from Kelson, who mixes both citizenship and nationality by saying citizenship or nationality is the status of an individual who is legally a member of a state and ornamentally he can be called a member of that community. Now, community here can be seen as ethnicity or race or just sanguinis. So, that is what Kelson defines when it comes to nationality. For nationality, there are two major rules. One, the just solely theory. The second one is just sanguinis theory. And I have made a 15 minutes long video on this particular concept. So I'm not going to spend any time here. Let's move on. Now, if the concept of nationality is so important, then we need to clearly understand what is the importance of nationality. Now, I'm not going to repeat Article 15, which very clearly says that every person should have nationality and nobody can deny if someone wants to change his nationality. Now, I am going to discuss five important importance. First being the nationality concept helps to protect diplomatic representative of a particular country, and second one, it increases the international image of a particular state. Like for example, if someone from India got stuck in China, if we are protecting him, then our international image will increase. People start thinking that being Indian is a great thing. So that is how it increases the image. And third one, it helps in extradition of national of such state. Now, if someone got our criminal in their country, they can ask us to take him back. That is possible with nationality because he got Indian national. At the same time, the fourth importance is we can deny doing so. We can say that no, we are not going to take that person. That is also possible under nationality. And the last thing is helpful to identify the enemy character when there is war going on. By being citizen, you will not become a friendly alien if there is a war. So during war, it will be nationality which will have a lot of importance. By that, we will understand who is a friendly alien and who is an enemy alien. Now, that is also one of the important character when it comes to nationality. Now, if you're still watching me, help me out by commenting that whether my illustrations are really helping you, because I spent a lot of time to create those illustrations. Now, with that, I'm pausing this particular video. I'm saying pausing because there are many more aspects will come on nationality. In my next video, we are going to discuss modes of acquisition and losing nationality. And then in the other video, we'll discuss the important difference between nationality and citizenship. And one more important aspect that we need to discuss is double nationality and statelessness. We are going to discuss all of them in series of videos. And for now, I'm taking off from this particular video. Thank you so much if you have already subscribed my channel. If not, this is your time to subscribe my channel. Please like, share and comment my videos. And all the very best for whatsoever purpose you are watching me. Thanks again.